Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good evening, good evening.
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Let's get started everyone. Quickly, say Sanika.
Ma'am, can I keep my camera off as a meeting?
Sure. Okay, so last class we had three things to do. So we'll first start with the doubts of percentages, then data handling, set 1 and then set 2. Okay. So percentages, doubts, if any, please send me in the chat box quickly. No doubts from Devashri. Great. Others? Percentages? Hanifa, good evening. Say Sadhna.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry, ma'am. I couldn't do the homework because I had to study for my exams.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8 from percentages. I've got 5, 6, 7, 8 from percentages so far. You all can check your notes and tell me if you find across some other doubt in percentages chapter. If no, then we can continue with these 4 doubts and then we'll go to data handling. Today we will be finishing off with symmetry, guys, and that will be the last topic for you people, post which I'll be giving you 2 things. First, 2 tests, okay? And then we will do, in the next coming 2 classes, we will be doing the previous year question paper. In the class also, and you will get in the homework also. Okay? Fine. 5, 6, 7, 8. Couldn't do the homework. 4, 6, 7, 8, and 10 also. Okay, so 4 and 10 added to the list. Yeah, Jia?
Ma'am, I couldn't do the homework.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
4. Hi, good evening. 4 and 10. Sorry, Manvik, you're saying something? Shania, number 6 is already there. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I have written it. Yes. Tanisha, 6, 7, 8 written. Hanifa, no doubts in data handling. Perfect. Data handling doubts I'll be taking separately. Arnav, say?
Ma'am, next class will be last class.
No, 21st will be the last class. Next Monday is the last class.
Oh.
Okay? Say, Jia? Rianshi?
Ma'am, last class I was absent, so I couldn't do my homework because I was.
No problem. That's completely fine. Question number 4. The fourth question is asking you to convert the percentage into fractions. So the rule was dividing the percentage by 100 and reducing it to the lowest form. So 80 by 100, 0 cancel, divide by 2, I get 4 by 5. So that is my answer, option D. Path, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then let's go. Thank you for the answers. Then let's go to the fifth question. 5, 6, 7. Pooja scored 87 out of 100. So we have different topics and different marks in it. So if you want to find out the total marks of Pooja, I mean the total percentage of Pooja, then I would need the total marks Pooja got divided by the total marks of the subject. The interesting thing is that all the subjects are out of 100. So there are 3 subjects, maths, Hindi and English. That means the total is 300. But how much did Pooja get? 87 plus 70 plus 95. So 5 plus 7 is 12, carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 7 is 25. So therefore, Pooja got 252 marks out of 300 marks. And whenever we are asked to convert something like a fraction into percentage, what do we multiply it with? 100. So let's do that. We cancel the 2 zeros and now we are left with 3 in the denominator and 252 in the numerator. How do we divide this? 252 divided by 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 3 is 24. 1 remainder. 2 comes down. 6, 4 times 3 is 12. So the answer is 84%. The answer is option D, 84%. Is it okay, everyone? Yeah? Clear? Okay. Then let's go to number 5. Oh my God, Mishika, wait. What have you written? These are so many questions. What are these? Doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, Mishika. Did you check the answer key?
Yes, ma'am. That's right.
Okay, these 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are from data handling, right?
No, ma'am, from percentages only.
Okay. So I have started with 4 and 5. I'll do 2 and 3. Yes, Shanaya, say.
Ma'am, I'm still confused with the fifth one. I don't understand.
So in the fifth question, you have to convert it into fraction first, Shanaya. And how would you find fraction? The marks which Pooja got, the total 87 plus 70 plus 95 is the marks which Pooja got divided by the total marks which is 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. So when you divide 252 by 300, you get the fraction. Now we need the percentage. So we'll multiply it with the 100. So that's how we got the answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Manvik, say.
Ma'am, can you tell the number of the exercise again? I am not able to find it in the
Percentage 13.1. This one. In the drop down, the last one. 13.1. Okay, question number 2. Mishika, pay attention. Whenever we are supposed to convert the percentage or find out the percentage of a particular number, what do we do? 17%. What is the meaning of this sign? Per 100. Percent. So 17 per 100 of means multiply with 300. So Mishika, tell me, can I cancel the 0?
Yes, ma'am. 0 cancel.
17 times 3.
51.
That's your answer. Okay. Manvik, you got the exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 125 percentage into decimal. So whenever we have to convert the percentage back to fraction or decimal, what do we know? We have to divide by 100. Now this time, since the answer needs to be in decimal, no need to simplify the fraction. Directly get the answer.
1.25.
That's the answer. Okay, we are done with these 2 questions. 4 questions, in fact. Number 6 is the next one. So there are 2 operations which we'll be doing here. Okay. First operation is 20% of 600. How much does that give me? Okay, I will be sharing a shortcut with you people. So listen to me carefully. 10% of any number is the number divided by 10. I repeat, 10% of any number is the number divided by 10. So what is 10% of 600? 600 divided by 10? 60.
60.
Correct. If 10% of 600 is 60, then 20% will be double of 60?
120.
120. So this method can help you to mentally verify your answer. You can do it this method if you're not comfortable, no problem. You should do it this method. But mentally also should learn how to do it so that you can check your answers faster. So this one goes 120. And if you go by the normal method, then 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 6 times 2. Okay. Same process. 45% of 9,000. What should we do here? 2 zeros out. 9 times 45 with an extra 0. So let's do it. 45 times 9, 9 times 5, 45, 4, 9 times 4, 36, 40. And then we'll get a 4050 because it's 90. Now 4050 plus 120 because that's what they're asking us, sum. So 0714.
170.
Thank you. Everyone okay with this? 4170? Okay, thank you. Raj is giving me a Say Arnav.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how do you get 45?
Here. In the question, it is given 45. 45% of means multiply 9,000.
Okay.
Okay. Number 7. The price of brown sugar is 25% more than the price of the normal sugar. The price of 1 kg of normal sugar is double the price of 1 kg of wheat. They're just trying to make it long for you. If 2 kgs of wheat is 240 rupees, then find the cost of 1 kg sugar. So let's do backtracking. What is the meaning of backtracking? Solving the question from the right hand side. Sorry. 2 kgs of wheat for 240. So 1 kg of wheat for 240 by 2. What is the half of 240, Shrihan?
Miss, the half of?
I'll not repeat the question so many times. 240 by 2 was the question.
Miss,
120 is the
120.
answer.
Miss, 120.
120 rupees is the cost of 1 kg of wheat. And price of 1 kg of sugar is the double of 1 kg of wheat. So see, anyways, we could have avoided this step because double of it means price of 2 kgs. So we could have directly said that the normal sugar NS was supposed to be 240 rupees per kg only, 1 kg. Now they are saying that the brown sugar is 25% more than the normal sugar. So first we'll calculate 25%, then we will add that 25%. So let's do 25% of 240. Do you all remember that 25% is 1/4? So you can directly do it like that also. 25 times 1, 25 times 4. And then we will cancel 4 times 1, 4 times 60. That means 60 rupees more than the normal sugar. So brown sugar is equals to plus 60. That is 300 rupees per kg. Option D. So 3 steps everyone. First find out the cost of 1 kg of wheat. Then find out the cost of 1 kg of normal sugar. Then find out the 25% of sugar, normal sugar. And then the last step is add that 25% to the normal sugar. Say Samriddhi.
So I was just wanted to say sorry for joining late because I had a swimming class and I have no doubts in the homework.
Couldn't hear anything.
Ma'am, are you able to hear me now?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, I'm really sorry for joining late because I had a swimming class and I have done the homework and I have no doubts.
Thank you. Okay. Next, the doubt is numbers 8 and then 9 and then 10. Number 8, equivalent decimals. Okay, we all can do this, everyone. Let's do it together. Say Radha Manoharan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the answer key, I also saw, but it said 25 plus by 100 plus 25 by 200.
Exactly. That's what I see. The answer is not matching here. It's misprinted.
Yes, ma'am, I couldn't do it.
Question number 8 is wrong, everyone. It's misprinted as Aradhya is saying. It's definitely divided by 200. That's why the answers are not matching. Okay.
Ma'am, but I have a doubt that can't we do it like that? That 25 plus 25 is 50.
50 by 100.
50 by
Yeah,
100, then which is equal to half into 100 is equal to 50 only, right?
Mm-hmm.
By 0.50.
Yeah. That's right.
But ma'am, you wrote 0.50 because you added 0.
It's the same thing, no?
Yeah.
50 by 100, 0.50, 0.5, same thing.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Next is the number 9th question. The 9th question, if we see over here, converting the percentage into decimal, divide by 100, 0 cancel, we can say 2.6. That is option B. Any problem? Aradhya, how up is your monitor? You're watching it like this. You'll get neck pain. That's too high for you. Okay, fine. Number 9, sorted. Number 10. First, find out 1/4 of 200. So 1/4 of 200 means multiply with 200. That gives me a 50. Then they are asking me to add it to 0.25 of 100. Now 0.25 multiplied with 100. What will I do? I'll shift the digits 2 places on the right. So it will become 25. Now they are asking me to add this up. So if I add 50 and 25, I get 75. But that's not the end of the question. The real question is what the sum obtained is what percentage of 300? The sum obtained is 75. What percentage of 300 means? We have to make the denominator or the total as 300 and then figure out what percentage is this. So this is my fraction, everyone. How do I convert fraction to percentage? Multiply with 100. What happened, Vihan? Vihan? Okay, that's Manasvi. I got confused that one Vihan of mine is in grade 6, another Vihan of mine is in grade 7. So which Vihan has come in grade 5 class now? Say Manasvi.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. I joined late because it was network issue and I had out in 7th.
Okay, fine. I'll just get it back. This is 25. So therefore the answer would be 25%. Is that okay? All understood? Okay, done. And look this square very, very far. Oh, we just did this. This is a long one. Okay, Manas, we just look at this carefully. 2 kgs of wheat is 240. So 1 kg of wheat is 120, half of it. Then the price of normal sugar is double of 1 kg of wheat. That means it's equals to 2 kgs of wheat only. That is 240 rupees. Now we will calculate what is 25% of 240. If I cancel it, I get 1/4. And if I cancel it, I get 60. That means the price of brown sugar is 60 rupees more than the normal sugar. If normal sugar is 240, then the brown sugar is 300. Okay? Okay, cool. Thank you so much. So the doubts of percentages are over, everyone. And I've got a lot of messages. So wait, I'm not checking the chat box. I'm just directly opening the homework of 13.1. If you have a doubt in, sorry, not 13.1, data handling, set 1. If you have a doubt in any question from 1 to 5, just let me know. Say Anirudh.
Sorry, ma'am. I was not able to finish data handling because on Monday I had my birthday.
Oh, really? You were there in the class? No.
No, ma'am.
Oh, happy belated birthday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Stay blessed always, Anirudh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's go 10.1. So any doubts from 1 to 5, anyone? You can raise your hand and tell me. 1 to 5? No? Oh, these kids are new. I mean, these kids have been revamped. Okay. Question number 5 to 10. Any doubts? So set 1, technically no doubts. Okay, cool. Then let's go to the other one. Set 2. 1 to 5. Any doubts? Say Manasvi.
Ma'am, I have doubt in 7.
First set, second set.
Set 1 first.
Okay, Manasvi. Done. Mishika.
Ma'am, third question and fourth question.
Second set.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. Parth and Arnav and Naman, just wait a minute. I'll just finish the 7th one. So look at this one over here, Manasvi. 100 students for each drawing. Now the question is, what is the total number of students in 2000? So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. 4.5 means 450. So therefore the answer will be 450, option A, because that's half a kid in the diagram.
Ma'am,
See
I
this?
don't understand the key.
The key will say that for every one figure you see, complete figure, that makes 100 students. So they are saying that there are 100,
Ma'am, I
200.
Ma'am, I thought -1.
Oh no, how is it minus? That's dash. Okay, fine. Parth Sharma, where is your doubt? Parth, no doubt.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am, doubt is set 1, 10 question. 10th
set
question.
one, 10th one. Okay. He threw a dice 15 times and noted the number coming here. Which number got repeated maximum number of times? Well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. And this is 1, 2. Okay. And 3 is also 1, 2, 3 times. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3 times. Yeah, so the winner is 2 only, I think, Parth, because it's 1, 2, 3,
Marked it
4
2
times. That's the
only.
maximum.
I marked it 2 only.
Yeah, so 2
And I
is the
checked
answer.
it. And I checked it. It was wrong.
What does it say?
Ma'am,
It's say Arnav.
I checked this, so the answer was 2 only.
2 only, Parth. What is the doubt here? Okay,
Ma'am,
Arnav, any other doubt you have?
Ma'am, in set B, I have second one.
Okay, okay. Yeah, Parth, you were saying something.
No, ma'am, nothing.
Ibrahim,
Ma'am, set 1 6th.
how many symbols are used to represent the data in 1998? So you have to just count the symbols, no multiplication. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 symbols. So half is represented with a 0.5, Ibrahim. So 6B, 5.5.
Okay.
Okay, they are counting symbols only.
I thought I have to count the numbers, but it was going so high. That's why.
Correct. Number 2, Arnav, data
Yes,
handling set 2. Find out which city is the coldest on December 1 from the bar graph. Coldest means the one with the least value, and that is Shimla. So option B is the answer, Arnav.
Ma'am, I read. Ma'am, it is same set.
It is?
Ma'am, it's set 1. Before this.
Oh, second question. What is the
Ma'am, it is
difference between... Sorry?
Ma'am, I am confused. It is set 1 or set B?
Look at the question. No, you can't realize looking at the question.
Ma'am, I realize.
Which one? This one or that one?
This one.
This one. Thursday and Wednesday. So here's Thursday, here's Wednesday. There's one extra bulb, Arnav. One extra bulb means 2 bulbs in total. So the difference between Thursday and Wednesday will be 2 bulbs.
Oh.
Okay? Mishika, what was your doubt?
Ma'am, question 3rd and 4th.
Yeah. So find out the city which shows the least change from 1st June to 1st December. Least change. If I compare the change of Delhi, then Delhi's change is 33 minus 23, which is 10. If I check for Shimla, Shimla is 22 minus 10, which is 12. Bangalore is 28 minus 24, that is just 4. And Jaisalmer is 38 minus 25, which is 13. So the least change is of Bangalore, which is option C. That's true also. Bangalore generally has the same type of temperature throughout the year. Say Vedant.
But ma'am, I'm living in Bangalore and it is going ups and downs in the weather. And also, if this was true and I was alive on 1st December and 1st June, I would be loving to visit Jaisalmer.
Okay,
Because
yeah.
in Bangalore right now it is negative infinite degrees
Oh,
Fahrenheit or Celsius. That much
cold.
cold. Then I
Oh.
have to keep a whole sun in my room.
Okay, fine then. Mishika got the third one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, the fourth one is the same thing, Mishika. It says the most change. Most change means where the difference is the highest. So the highest difference is in Jaisalmer.
Yes.
Again, expected answer. Desert temperatures are extreme, but don't answer these questions with common sense. Just use maths. So Jaisalmer will be the answer. Okay, Mishika?
Ma'am, because Jaisalmer is not true that it is up and down, up and down.
Doesn't look like, but then it's actually the highest difference.
Yeah,
Say,
because
Parth.
Jaisalmer is a very good city. I went there.
Ma'am, question 9 is also doubt in set 2.
Set 2. Okay, any other doubts from 5 to 10? Anyone? No? Good. Identify the most planted and least planted tree. Coming to you, Vedant. Most planted and least planted. So look at this one, Parth. Most planted is the tallest tree and least planted is the smallest. So most is pine, least is pear. Pine and pear. Most, okay, respectively, okay, Parth. So pine first and then pear, option C. Okay, thank you. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, 10th question is my doubt.
Okay. Say Samriddhi. Louder, louder. Your mic has got some problem. Not audible. Let me send it to the waiting room and bring you back. Okay, meanwhile, number 10. What is the difference between the number of most planted and least planted? Okay, well, that was the question. So we have to do pine minus pear. So 80 minus 20, which is 60 Vedant. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you. Say Samriddhi, try speaking now.
Ma'am, are you able to hear me now?
Yeah. Say.
Ma'am, in the ninth one, they should mention respectively.
Yeah, in case they haven't, then we'll by default assume it to be respectively. First most planted, then least planted.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. So in that case, we are starting with symmetry. Symmetry is a very small topic, would not take much time, but all eyes on the camera. We'll learn symmetry now. Okay. So there are two types of symmetry. First is, of course, an imaginary line, which is called as line symmetry, which you run across the given figure and you will see the figure getting divided into two equal parts, right? Now, these lines can be drawn vertically, diagonally, as well as horizontally. Any way possible. But the thing is that when you pass the line, then the two parts should be absolutely symmetrical to each other, or we can also say mirror image or water image to each other's. Okay. Line symmetry is calculated for line symmetry has two things to be considered. Step number one, which you all have to be careful of, is what is the center point from which it is passing. And number two, how many equal parts do we get from a figure when we pass a imaginary line through it? So say Vedant, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, does this comes in questions related to like example that we folded the sheet and then after that in some ways and then after that line and then after that how will the sheet
No, that's
symmetrical lines
reasoning.
be and all?
That's reasoning.
Okay.
I'll show you a question. What type of questions come? Arnav, say.
Ma'am, diagonal means cross, na?
Hmm?
Diagonally means cross.
Yeah.
Right.
Diagonally means cross.
Okay.
Yes. Tanisha, say.
Ma'am, when I learned reasoning from you, we learned mirror image and water image also.
That's correct. Look at this figure now only you will understand. Look at the kite, everyone. Do you think that the kite, the line which is drawn over the kite is a line of symmetry?
No, ma'am.
Absolutely no. Because if you look at the two parts which are formed, they are not equal and therefore it doesn't show line symmetry. But if we come to the heart, if I fold this heart, it will be completely overlapping over each other. There'll be no part which will come out. And when there'll be no part which will come out, I can easily say that it is a line of symmetry and the figure also shows line symmetry. Correct? Yeah? Now, there is a new thing which you people should remember or know that happened. That's a story, by the way. So, a few years back, there was an exam, Mathematics Olympiad only, where the question was related to this. Like what happened in the question was they gave you 2-3 figures, 3-4 figures, and they said how many figures out of these show reflexive symmetry. There were some people who got really confused. What is reflexive symmetry now? So from that year onwards, I made sure that I would be keeping a slide in my PPT for sure with this term, that is reflexive symmetry. So what is reflexive symmetry? Reflexive symmetry is nothing but the nickname of line symmetry. So line symmetry, number 1, reflexive symmetry, number 2, reflection symmetry, number 3, and mirror symmetry, number 4. All these 4 names resemble the same thing. All of them are same thing. So that question was actually asking the students which of the 4 or how many of the 4 figures show line symmetry. As easy as that. But half of the people couldn't do it because they did not know about the reflexive symmetry only. Say, Sadhna.
Ma'am, do they ask how many of these figures or shapes are symmetrical? Those like questions?
Yes, see, they do, Sadhna. For example, they will give you 5-6 figures and they will say how many figures are showing line symmetry. Option A, 2, option 3, 4, option B, 6, like that. So you have to choose like that. Okay. Jia, say.
You make PPTs for us?
Yeah, what is this? This one is my PPT.
I thought that it's from the reading material which we get.
I will talk. See, what comes in this PPT is mine. So reading material is uniform. It's for everyone. From there, it comes from this. And that has been prepared long back. Say, Arnab.
Ma'am, but this triangle is not symmetry.
It is. It's a equilateral triangle. It's symmetrical. Say, Manasvi.
Ma'am, our letters and numbers are also symmetrical.
Yes. Manvik, say.
Ma'am, actually, my father and mother both had party. They had gave me the reading material with the worksheets. So everything in the reading material and over here, when I see and take it into a class to read beside you, it's almost same. Everything's same.
Yeah. So the reading material is the class questions, Manvik. That's why I remember in the first notes in the class because it's already there. So your voice is breaking, Manvik. Yes, I have prepared it. So it's the same. Okay, fine. Coming to this, I want to talk about the first thing, most important thing, something called as regular polygon. Do you people know what is regular polygon? Should I ask you a question?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Can I use the washroom?
Yeah. Don't ask for that. Go. Yes, Mishika, say what is regular polygon?
Ma'am, I guess it is that there are like equilateral only. That the lines which are made, they are equal, all the sides.
Regular polygons are those polygons which have all the sides of the same length and all the interior angles as the same size. as well as all the angles equal to 60 degree, right? Give me an example of, Mishika, don't answer directly. I am observing it since the beginning of the class. I don't want that to happen again. Give me an example of regular polygon, regular quadrilateral. Parth, regular quadrilateral. Sorry? Pull up your mic and speak. Mic.
On your screen was freezing in between. So what were you saying?
I was asking a question, Parth. My question is, give me an example or the name of a quadrilateral which is regular.
I can't answer because I couldn't heard it because your
Okay,
screen
okay,
was
we'll
freezing in
we'll do this. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, can you do a quadrilateral?
Four-sided figure is called quadrilateral. Any four-sided figure. Say, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, square.
That's right. Square is a quadrilateral which has all the four sides equal and all the four angles equal to 90 degrees. So it's an example of a regular quadrilateral. And for Parth, I repeat, regular quadrilaterals or regular polygons are those polygons which have all the sides of the equal length and all the angles of the equal size. Okay? But why did I teach you regular polygons? I taught you regular polygons because all the regular polygons, in all the regular polygons, the number of line of symmetry is equals to the number of sides of the polygon. The number of line of symmetry is equals to the number of sides of the polygon. So how many sides do we have in equilateral triangle? 3. So how many lines of symmetry will we have? 3. Square, 4. So lines of symmetry also 4. But rectangle is not 4, everyone. We will go for a break. Before that, I'll give you an experiment to do. Say, Sadhna.
Ma'am, I was asking that isn't a rectangle also a quadrilateral?
Yeah, it is. Four-sided. Every four-sided figure is a quadrilateral. Trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, everything is a quadrilateral.
Okay, ma'am.
Kite. Look at this, everyone. Oh, no. Wait. I'll have to remove my background. Say, Anirudh.
Ma'am, is rhombus a regular quadrilateral?
No, because the angles are not equal. Sides are equal, angles are not equal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Look at my camera. Can you see this piece of cloth? Probably a square. Square or not, how will I prove it? First, I fold it like this. It's completely equally folded into two equal parts with nothing overlapping anywhere. Nothing overlapping anywhere. Fine? Horizontal symmetry. Then, come on. I fold it vertically. I fold it vertically. No overlap anywhere. Nothing coming out. Completely fine. Vertical line of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry done. Now come to the diagonal one which makes the difference. From this point to this point, opposite side. I'm folding it. Let's see if something comes out. No. Absolutely fine. This means it's a square. Absolutely symmetrical. Nothing coming out from anywhere. Okay. And this is the third line of symmetry. And the fourth line of symmetry is from the other opposite to the other opposite. If I fold it, look at this. Properly. Yes. Nothing comes out. So this is symmetrical. And how many lines of symmetry? 4 lines of symmetry. Horizontal, vertical, and 2 diagonals. If you see the lines, you can't see it so clearly. So all of these, all 4 lines of symmetry of a square. Okay. But The experiment which I am leaving you with during the break time is that of a rectangle. So if you have something rectangular around you, then try it with that. Or if you have a rectangular piece of paper, then take a rectangular piece of paper and try to fold it diagonally. And tell me if it completely overlaps or some part comes out. Okay, tell me this after the break. Right now, I will give you one question and then go for the break. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, how to fold mobile?
Wow, break it. And then get scolded like hell. Question number 3. Say Jia.
Ma'am, after 21st July, after 10 days, it's my birthday. I'm so sorry.
Oh, oh my God, our classes will be over. Remind me on the last day, okay?
Okay.
Okay, question number 3 is a circle, everyone. So, what do you think is the line of symmetry for a circle? Say, Tanisha. What are you doing? Beating me up or what? Your thing looked like that.
Ma'am,
Say,
nothing.
you raised your hand.
Ma'am, it mistakenly. I don't know.
Okay, okay. Sanika, say.
Ma'am, is the answer infinity?
Yes. In a circle, we can have infinite diameter, and therefore, in every diameter breaks the circle into 2 equal parts. So, therefore, the number of lines of symmetry for a circle is infinite. Okay, I'll leave you with the last one more question. Sorry, I said just one question, but this one is interesting. You people should check this one. Isosceles triangle. A common area of mistake because people think that two sides are equal. I'll not say anything else. Two lines of symmetry or one line of symmetry? Say, Sanika.
Ma'am, I found one line of symmetry.
That is correct. There are no two lines of symmetry. There's only one line of symmetry which passes exactly from the center, that is vertically like this. Say, Parth. Nothing? Okay, then I'll leave you with the experiment. Tell me if you get something, or I mean, if you get overlapping figures or you don't get. Okay? Tell me in the chat box. I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay? Yes, Manasvi. What happened?
I made a diagram.
That diagram will not help, Manasvi. I gave you a different homework. You made earth. Okay, Samriddhi, please don't do this right now. Didn't we talk about the break time? See you in break 5 minutes. Welcome back. Now show me, raise your hand and show me the experiment you people did. Say Arnav, show. Oh my god, such a big piece of cloth. Okay, towel. Okay, go for it. Fold it diagonally only and show me. No, that not all the folds, just diagonal fold, just diagonal fold.
Ma'am, it is none. We can't do diagonally. It is overlapping.
Yes, it's not overlapping, it's coming out of it. So everyone,
Ah.
anyone? Okay, Ibrahim, I can see your screen. Aradhya, I can see. Devashri, I can see. Aradhya Purvar, I can see. Samriddhi Srivastav, I can see. Tanisha, it's blurred. Jia, I can see. Shanaya, I can see. Parth, your camera is off. Sadhna, I can see. Then, anyone else? Anirudh, I can see. Vedant, what you got? Your bed sheet or what? That's too big. Okay. Anyways, that's correct. Thank you. Anyone else who did it? Manvik, remove the background. So, Samriddhi Srivastav, I saw. Aradhya Manoran, I've seen your names. I've taken your names, so you can put your hands down. It will be pain. Say, Shanaya.
Ma'am, I just had something to share in the break time that in less than 6 hours I made a whole blanket.
Oh my God, great.
I can sleep with it. It's really warm.
Wow. Advika, you were showing me something. Show again. Okay. Yeah. Yes, that's right. It's not. Sadhna, I saw yours. But show. Ibrahim, I've seen yours. Mike.
Ma'am, it is not going to fold. I already know.
Okay. Tanisha, done. I've seen it. Perfect. Manvik, got it. Perfect, Manvik. Riyanshi got it. Okay. Arnav, say what happened. Tanisha, you can put your hands down. Got it.
When do you know one more plane crash?
London. Manasvi, say
Can
what's
I
so
keep
happy about it, stupid.
Ma'am, can I keep my camera off?
Yeah.
Because I'm
Riyanshi. Yeah, it's okay. Riyanshi, say.
Ma'am, by mistake I forgot to lower my hand.
Okay, no worries. Now, people, I'm going to start something new now. This one is called as rotational symmetry. So just look at the camera again. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Look at the camera again. My camera. Let me spotlight myself. This one will need you to look at my screen. So that's my mobile screen. Okay. So this is completely black. So it looks all the same all through even. Okay. Now in this place, if you see, this is my center. Where is this? Oh my God. Oh, mirrored image it is. Yeah. So this is my center. Okay. Now in this center, this is at 0 degree for me right now. Let's say this is at 0 degree for me right now. So I'll start rotating it any direction, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anything would work. So let's go clockwise. 0 degree, 1, 2, 10, 20, 40, 50, 90. If I turn it 90 degree like this, does the figure look the same as I started? 0 degree? No, not the same. Okay, let me turn it further. 90, 100, 120, 140, 150, 180. Look, technically this thing came here, but does it look the same? Does it look the same rectangle as 0 degree? Yes. That means at 180 degree, my figure looks exactly same as how it looked at 0 degree. Correct? Count it on my fingers. 1. Then again, change, 200, 210, 210, 270. 270 is another 90 degree you see here. It does not look same. I'll again turn it. Turn it. It comes back to this place where it is 360 degree, exactly same as where I started from. So it looks the same second time at 360 degree. Now, there are two things to learn from here. Point number one, every figure will look the same at 360 degree. Every figure, whether it is regular or irregular, doesn't matter. Every figure will look the same at 360 degree. Complete karne do Manvik. Every figure will look the same at 360 degree. That means every figure will have a minimum of one order of rotational symmetry. Just like we had line symmetry, no? Here we have order of rotational symmetry. So every figure will have order of rotational symmetry, one for sure, minimum. But the interesting thing for us to know here is, just because a figure has one rotational symmetry, it doesn't mean that it shows rotational symmetry, because every figure will have it, just like we discussed. So unlike line symmetry, here, if the order of rotational symmetry is more than one, that is 2, 3, 4, only then I call the figure to show rotational symmetry. Okay, getting it? Now, there were two times, 180 degree and 360 degree, when the figure looked the same. So therefore, we would say that this figure has order of rotational symmetry 2. It looks same at 180 degree once and it looks same at 360 degree once. But if I turn my mobile phone like this on the opposite direction, the back side. So because of the camera, this figure will not look the same at 180 degree. Earlier, there was no camera on this side, so it was looking the same. But in the back side, because of the presence of camera, which was present here earlier, I cannot say that the figure is looking the same at 180 degree, right? But just like I told, 360 degree. 360 degree turn, and what do you see? The figure is back to the same thing like 0 degree, right here. Yes or no? Yeah. So that exactly means that every figure has one rotational symmetry or one order of rotational symmetry for sure. No doubts in that. But that is not sufficient to call this figure as symmetrical. No, it's not. Until and unless it has more than one order of rotational symmetry, we will not call it as a figure showing rotational symmetry. Okay. Now I'll show you through the PPT. Before that, if you have a question, ask now. Say, dear.
So suppose I have a figure, and then if I put it on the center of it, still if I move it, it will be the same. But if suppose I kept it like in the other, not exactly at the center.
You don't keep it at the center. You hold it at the center and you turn it.
Okay.
I am not keeping it somewhere. I am holding it at the center and turning it through the center and checking.
Okay.
Arnav, say.
Ma'am, in any figure, at least it has one line symmetrically. And
Which figure?
symmetrical. Any figure like this.
Say, Ibrahim.
Oh, ma'am, I have like this paper, but I have kept it like this. Will this also work?
Yeah, turn it and see.
Will it work like this?
It will work.
Okay.
Say, Shania.
Ma'am, but square will always be the same.
Not always, only 4 times. At 90 degree, at 180 degree, at 270 and at 360. Look at this one only now. The windmill which I am showing you on the figure. This black dot is shown just for you to understand that this thing is actually rotating. But if you ignore the black dot, then you will see that you will not at all realize that this figure is even rotating. It looks all same in all the 4 positions. When the dot is at the top, when it is at the right, when it is at the bottom, when it is on the left. Okay. Fine. So order of rotational symmetry is 4. Okay. Now let me show you something. Can you people, this is an equilateral triangle. Remember the rule which you learned for regular polygons in line symmetry is also applicable to regular polygons in rotational symmetry. This swastika has 4 openings. So imagine rotating it 4 times. Will it look the same? Yes. So what will be the order of rotational symmetry? 4. And come to this figure. Forget about this part. Okay, I'm so sorry. This is not removed. Okay. Forget about the arrows, everyone. Just concentrate on the triangle. If you look at the triangle, that is an equilateral triangle. What will be the order of rotational symmetry? 3. Because it's a regular polygon. And regular polygons have the same line of symmetry and same order of rotational symmetry, just like they have it for the what do you say, number of sides. Okay. Okay, let me ask you this question now. Order of rotational symmetry of a rectangle. We just did one. Say, Jia.
So the triangle, if you turn it, but it's not like, I mean that it's not rotational symmetry, right?
Which part?
Like the triangle which you showed, if you turn it, then it won't be this like rotational.
It would be the same, Jia, because if you ignore the arrows, then it will look the same at every 360 by 120 degree. Say, Arnav.
Ma'am, is there any camera on this
Well,
or on this or none?
on what?
Ma'am, is this triangle? No, square simple?
It's not a square, it's a rectangle.
Okay.
Say, Anirudh.
Ma'am, is it 2 types?
Yes, it is. Because in a rectangle, just the mobile phone which I showed you is an example of a rectangle only. It looks the same exactly at 180 degree and 360 degree, but not in the other 2 angles. And therefore, the order of rotational symmetry will be 2. Is that okay? Look at this one. Find the order of rotational symmetry for this figure. Dash n means all the 6 sides are of the same length. Say, Reyanshi.
Ma'am, it was for answer, so that's why
Go. Say, answer.
Ma'am, I was going to say 6 only.
6 is the right answer. I never said 6. I was asking you to say the answer. So 6 is the right answer, everyone, because it's a regular hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. So therefore, the line of symmetry will also be 6. And the order of rotation will also be 6. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, but if you take it from the center to the like vertical and horizontal, you'll get 8.
No. It will be 6 only. Look at this. We are talking about turning, Jia. See, we are turning it every 60 degree. What is happening? This
No,
figure
mean
looks exactly the same, but the numbers are changing. Why are
like
we showing the numbers change? So that you can understand the turns.
no, I'm saying that after you do this, you get 6, but then you put like this plus sign, so you get a 8.
8 means 8 lines.
Yeah.
This is 1. This
Yeah.
is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. Where is the 8th one? There are only 6.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Anirudh, say.
Ma'am, so it rotates once every 60 degrees?
It rotates complete 360 degree and every 60 degree it looks the same.
Thank you.
So, welcome. For the circle, everyone, same rule applicable. Say, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I was asking which figure does not has even a single rotational symmetry.
No figure. Every figure will have one order of rotational symmetry because everything, no matter how irregular, will look the same at 360-degree, Ibrahim.
Okay.
But every figure doesn't show rotational symmetry because for a figure to call it as something which shows rotational symmetry, the order of rotational symmetry should be more than one. The condition changes for rotational symmetry. For line symmetry, it's more than 0. But for rotational symmetry, it's more than 1.
Okay.
Thank you. Jia, say.
Can I answer this question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, it's D, infinity.
Thank you. Okay, fine, everyone. Rules remain the same for the circle, even in rotational symmetry. I have a quick question for you people before I leave you. Leave you in the sense before I complete this chapter. Give me 1 minute. I just need to. Hmm. Okay, look at this one. Answer this quickly. Find the order of rotational symmetry in the chat box. Find the order of rotational symmetry for the figure given below. Figure of rotation symmetry is order of rotation symmetry. I hate this mode of answering. Zoom, please change this. Okay, fine. Guys, use question numbers. I don't realize which question number are you guys talking about. Okay, I can't see the time now. Okay, I'm getting right answers. Aradhya Purvar, you will answer this one for me. Arnav, wrong.
Ma'am, I think this is 1.
That's right. How?
Because we can only rotate it one time.
That is 360-degree. At
Yeah.
360-degree only, this figure will look the same. So will I call this figure symmetrical or unsymmetrical? Rotational symmetry shows rotational symmetry or does not show rotational symmetry, Aradhya?
It does not show.
Very good. Because just now we discussed with Ibrahim that the condition for a figure to say that it shows rotational symmetry is ORS more than 1. And this is exactly 1. Many people go wrong thinking that since it does not show rotational symmetry, it should be 0. It's wrong. It is 1. Okay, everyone? 1. Okay, cool. Then in that case, I have 2 things for you people. Check your chat box. First, I will share a test, 2 tests with you. Okay. Test number 1 will be percentages and test number 2 would be geometry. Okay. Geometry and percentages and data handling also. Wait. Geometry. Yes, Mishika. Symmetry also.
Yes, we send it on the WhatsApp.
Yeah. They will send it on the WhatsApp. Symmetry homework you will do from the exercise. That's direct.
Ma'am,
Okay.
how many tests are there?
3. 3 total tests for you people as homework. One is from geometry, another one is from data handling, and the next one is from percentages. Say Aradhya. Purvar.
Ma'am, today we have finished on time, na?
That's true.
So can we have a longer match?
We'll see. Arnav, say.
My longest match ever.
That we will play on the last day.
Ma'am, all homework is done. Leaving symmetry.
All homework is done. Yes, that's true. All of them is done. By the way, listen everyone. After this, let me tell you the agenda of the next 2 classes. In the next 2 classes, we will be discussing the, previous year question papers. Okay. So we will do selective questions from the previous year question paper, and Olympiad Success will be giving you the access of the other previous year question paper so that you can practice after the class also. I mean, even if the classes are over, it's not a problem. You get more reading material. So you'll be getting more questions to practice from the previous year. And in the class, we will do selective questions. That are the ones which are the most tricky ones. Okay? Say Shanaya.
Ma'am, how many questions are in a maths Olympiad paper?
50, including the reasoning. Advika say,
Ma'am, when is our last
Advika,
class?
21st July, Advika, next
Okay,
Monday.
miss.
2 more classes.
Why?
Ibrahim say, why? I also don't want to end this batch.
Yes.
Ibrahim say,
I was telling that what if what if the classes are over and I have a doubt? What will I do?
you can send this to Olympiad Success probably. Just check this with them. Generally, if you have a doubt, you can send it to them. They can help you with that.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Say Arnav.
Ma'am, last year in 4th grade, I have got, ma'am, gold medal. But ma'am, for 1 mark I remain, or else I will go to level 2.
No worries. This
Only
time you
1
will
point.
definitely go to level 2. Okay,
ma'am.
everyone. In that case, we have finished on time today, so we can have 2 matches and then we will wind up. Okay. So fine. Gia, say your hand is raised.
Ma'am, so if you want to tell you the marks what we got for our Olympiad, how will we tell you?
Olympiad Success. Otherwise, you have my YouTube channel link. Just come and comment there. Otherwise, Olympiad
I don't
Success
know
for
what
sure.
to say.
Definitely tell. If you miss me, you type in the YouTube channel. That will be better. And in Olympiad Success, you definitely tell your ranks or your scores because they will also use it and they will also, take your picture and then put it on their website and show it to everyone that see this intelligent kid was with us. So definitely don't miss out telling Olympiad Success. Okay, fine. Everyone, in that case, I'm spinning the wheel and you guys can do quick voting. Okay, say Manvik.
Ma'am, you should have told me earlier. I would have sent my 4th picture of the code I have saying I've just done and I have gone into a second round of it and of IMO.
Oh, wow. You should have told them before. Okay, no worries. This time you tell them. Okay. Okay, fine. Done then. So, some names are here. I think yeah, Dinos is there. So I'll be turning this and the name on which it stops, you can tell me if you play it by raising hand. Okay. We'll just have 2, 3 spins. Let's see. Deceptive dinos. Okay, deceptive dinos, anyone? Let's count the vote. 4, 5,
Ma'am, how to
7,
play?
8. Same thing as crypto hack. You have to answer the right question, then you will get a chance to either check if others are cheating or you can also cheat. Like cheat means it will show you what are present behind the rocks so that you can choose the best one. 15 people. Wow. Okay, fine. Hands down, everyone. One more spin. Let's see what do we get. 15 were noted for this. Okay, one more. Hands down, hands down. Arnab, Shanaya. This is knockout, I think. Yes, knockout. Knockout is that shooting game where you have to make others fall from the, what do you say that? Bridge or what? I don't call platform. 9 people, 10 people. 11. No, 9. 10. 10 people in for knockout. Okay. One last spin, everyone. Let's see what comes. Hands down, hands down. Oh my god, comes again out to be knockout only. Okay, don't need to raise hand. I'm spinning it again. No need, no need. We already had a vote for that. Okay, we are not playing Floor is Lava. Floor is Lava is basically boring. I'll remove that. It comes as quizzes. Again, quizzes is boring. Quizzes actually do nothing. Quizzes has no games in it. Last one, wait. Why is
Ma'am,
everything coming like this? Hmm.
excuse me. I want to
I'll
play
remove
Don't
quizzes
Look
from the
Down.
list. Okay, it is coming. Don't look down. Okay, fine. Last one. Don't look down. Don't look down is where you have to climb up, and the one who is at the topmost place will win. 9, 10, 13. Okay. Fine then. So the first vote goes for Deceptive Dinos, 15 people, and then 12 people for Don't Look Down. So first we will have Deceptive Dinos, then we will
Hey,
have Don't Look Down. Okay.
कौन चल रहा है?
Sorry,
आने भाई.
Ma'am, so
louder.
can we name whatever we want?
भाई कौन?
Can
बात
we?
तो इधर.
Yeah, today you guys can name whatever you want. It's fine.
Ma'am, I think you're in a
Anything
good
is okay.
mood today. You're in a really good mood today.
Because we finished on time. Okay.
Ma'am, who is commentator?
No one.
Or-
If you're raising hand for being the commentator, no. No. Okay, join fast, huh? I'm sharing my screen. You can join through the code. I'll also send the link. Sanika, say.
Ma'am, can you play?
Okay, you want me to?
Yes.
Then you will say, ma'am, you cheat.
Ma'am, I won't say.
Say, Tanisha.
Ma'am, why are we playing 2 matches today? Because the time is over.
Because we finished on time, yes. So anyways, you were prepared for a 9:30 class, no? I will not take you to 9:30, don't worry. Yeah, Advika, say. You
Mom, I just wanted to ask if we can play 7 minutes for the next match.
No, ma'am. 5 minutes for both of them. Okay, everyone is in? I am in. Okay, fine. All of you in? Let's go then. If you haven't joined, join now in the middle, no problem. Oh my God, you guys need to breathe. I even changed my name thinking that you guys will not get me. But you are behind me every single time. Oh no, I misclicked. Hmm. Oh, come. Guys, there are more people playing. You should check them also. Why is everyone behind me? Oh no.
Excuse me, ma'am, will you check the accuracy?
Cheating now, huh? Don't check me. Sadhna was not cheating.
Ma'am, did you join from two accounts? Because one is chili chicken and one is winning chicken too.
I'm not winning chicken today. I'm chili chicken today.
Miss, I caught you.
But still, people are getting me. Very bad of you. You should let others live their lives peacefully. But you're not letting me live my life peacefully. It's catching hold of me every time. Oh no. Oh, my internet connection is unstable. Come on. I got you, Abhika. Lala Lala is slay. This is definitely a girl. Wow. Many people are trying to investigate me. Looks like that. Ha ha. Vedant Royal was not cheating.
Miss, I caught you.
Last 10 seconds, everyone. Super boss. Congratulations to all of you, including myself. Because this time, chili chicken is at the top. Who's champion? Second place?
Ma'am, me, the great.
Arnav. Okay, Samriddhi, Jenny is Samriddhi Srivastava, I believe. Yes, because Samriddhi Singh is not today in the class. So good job. And let's see the others. So who is Aradhya, Manoharan, Hanifa? Okay, peace girls. Who's this?
Ma'am,
No one.
these,
Sad.
these,
Ma'am,
these girls are cheaters. Ma'am, these
Okay, Jia. All right, challenger. Who's challenger? Who's Jackson? Nanika? Challenger?
Ma'am, I am challenger.
Abhika? Okay, Ibrahim. Abhika is this Abhiraj and Advika, I think. Sadhna, your name is Sadhna only. Okay, Nanika. Dino Naman is okay, Mishika. This is Who's
That's me.
Okay, that's Aradhya.
ma'am,
Who's Part?
copied
What
my name.
dinosaur?
Oh,
Me.
okay. All right, Part. Then this is Ziyanshi, Shriya, and Anirudh. Who's Gamo, Hako, Kako?
it's me.
Okay. Winning Chicken 2. Who is this?
Ma'am, me.
Me means what? Tell me your name.
Sanika.
Devashri. Oh, Shanika. Okay. Lala Lala इसलिए?
Mummy. Shania.
Okay. Manasvi, Pro, Bhumik, Super Boss. Who's Super Boss?
Ma'am, I am.
I am again. I is also I.
Parth.
Parth.
Excuse me,
Okay.
ma'am.
Fine. So everyone, second one. Yeah. Quick, say first. Oh, this is
Ma'am,
not in this
I
game. That's Game Kit we are playing next.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I
Say
tried to
Aradhya
check
copied
you,
my
but
name.
every time I checked you, you were not cheating.
I was not cheating every time.
Ma'am,
When I
Aradhya
cheat,
Purva has
nobody can
copied
be
my
so
name.
happy. When I caught you, you were clear all the time.
Oh,
Ma'am,
okay, fine.
Please 10 minutes.
4 minutes.
No,
It's
ma'am,
very
7,
late.
7,
I have
7.
a class at 9:30, guys. I have to leave anyways. Join in time. Samriddhi, say.
Wanted to ask where do we get this Crest Olympiad previous year book?
Divij, this is Crest Olympiad.
No, I was just asking for Crest.
Yeah, so you want to enroll for the exam.
Yeah. But from where
Yeah.
do we get
So for that, you directly go to crestolympiad.com, or you can also ask the in the Olympiad Success WhatsApp group, right? Just message them saying that I want to enroll in Crest Olympiads. When will it open, and where is the link? But you don't have to worry about that. This is just type Crest Olympiads. It will come on the website here.
I just wanted to know that from where do we get Crest PYP?
Oh, PYQ. On this place, you will get some samples of whatever Olympiad you're like here, come to grade 5, and here you will be saying all of this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I will also see this is the register for school and this is personal registration. So you can do that. And I will be sending some links for the like the practice material, okay, in the next class. Remind me. There's a Crest Olympiad books, then there are some websites which provide some materials. I will be sending that in the next class. Okay. Yeah. Samriddhi, that book. Correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Shikha.
I just learned just now that the collector of Kozhikode declare holiday.
Oh. Nanika say. Then Nanika. Nothing. Acha, oh, Nanika said Aradhya.
Ma'am, will you check the accuracy?
Yes, I will check the accuracy. Why are these people waiting? Come, run. Who's winning chicken? You guys are taking my name. Vedant, Royal Uncle. Hanifa, what are you doing? Oh, answer. How? There. What are you trying to do? Aradhya is a cute cat. Aradhya, don't run at the bottom. You have to run at the top. Hey, someone took my name, Chili Chicken. Wait, the real OG winning chicken will show you what to do. Use double jumps, everyone. Oh, there's someone at the top already. I see. That's Shrihan.
Ma'am, I'm not able to go from the up part.
You have to double jump.
When I'm doing it still, it's not making me do it.
Making me do means you're falling down.
Yeah, every 2 minutes. Where did my
See,
game?
you have to click what keys are you using? ASWD keys or arrow keys?
Arrow keys.
So in the arrow key, click on the right arrow and then click on the up arrow. Keep the right arrow pressed and then click on the left arrow. Then it will give you a long
I
shot.
share my screen.
That is a place of buttons, dear. Yeah, you share your screen. Share screen.
I am. It's yeah. Finally here. Wait. 1 minute. It's here. Oh my God.
Yeah. So where are you? Which one is you?
This one who's jumping.
Hip hop. Okay, come back. Come where chili chicken is standing.
Oh, where are you standing? Okay. I'm coming. Yeah, yes.
Run a little back. Go a little back. And then take a long run. Take a long run and click on up. Yeah. Twice. Huh? Next time go twice. Yes, just like La 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 Slay went. So, yes, up. Up again. You're hip hop, right, Jia?
Yeah.
So go up again. Go up means where it's written jump while running to travel further. Yeah. Now go back. That's all. Don't fall. Keep your right arrow pressed and then jump 2 times with the up arrow. Yes. But don't leave the right arrow. You're leaving the right arrow.
Okay.
Pressed and then jump.
Okay, I'll try it again.
Hanifa. Oh my God. People are coming up. Oh no, I
Yeah, and I'm worse at it.
Congratulations, Anika. Fine. So, okay, everyone. So, your homework is 3 tests. Okay. So, try to do these test papers and let me know if you have any doubt in the next class. Next class onwards, we'll start with the previous year question paper. Okay.
name. Chili chicken.
Oh, you were the person.
I'm also chili
Okay,
chicken.
fine.
Ma'am, but
Chili chicken.
That's
1,
coral giraffe. Man, coral
2.
coral giraffe.
I saw. Okay, guys. See you then. Bye bye. I'm getting late for the other class. Take care. Bye.
The class was amazing.
Ma'am, the class was
Bye.
great. Ma'am, the class was fantastic.
Thank you.
And the class was amazing.
Fantastic class. Great, ma'am. Bye.
Bye,
Thank you
man.
so
The
much.